guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna. Happy New Year to everyone. So I wanted to come on and start my new video for the new year with a simple get ready with me everyday makeup look. Very minimal products, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first off, I'm going to start by applying just concealer. I don't really use foundation on my face. I always use a concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by concealing my eyes. Dark circles. And please excuse my eyebrows. I was not able to get it done. I am going to try to get it done very soon. How's everyone's new year going? I wanted to try to be more consistent, so I promise that this year I'm going to be more consistent on my channel and put out more content for you guys. So yeah, that's what I want to start the new year off with, and just putting out more content. So I like to apply the concealer under my eyes and just the chin area. It's a very simple everyday look I do because my schedule is always so busy. I'm a mommy of two, so I try to be as quick as possible. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. sponge. I really like this sponge a lot. I had purchased the 3 sponge in 1, and this is the second, the medium size that I'm currently using, because I find it fits perfectly and it does a good job on the, you know, face and the eyes. So yeah. The reason I don't use foundation as much is because I think with time is just a lot. So I find it easier just to apply concealer in the areas that you need it the most. So yeah. I try to also drink a lot of... If you see me looking off to the side, it's because I'm looking into my viewfinder. But yeah. But yeah, so getting back to why I do not use foundation. I only use foundation for special occasions. And really it's basically pretty much how my skin is that day. So like I try to hydrate with a lot of water. And if my skin is looking great, then I'm only going to use the concealer. But if there's like a lot going on, I'll try to go in with foundation. Do you guys like using foundation over concealer, or both, or by itself? Please comment in the section down below and let me know. So moving along, I'm going to go ahead and use my Kat Von D. So I'm going to go in with the Lock-It powder and just conceal that. I really like this powder actually. So yeah, oh, that's a lot of product. So yeah, like I said, I am going to start creating more content, and let me know what you guys think, and you guys can leave any suggested ideas, like suggest video ideas for the future, because I will like to create some more content for you guys. I'm just getting into the hang of things, you know. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. And I like to keep it simple with the eyeshadow. Again, it's an everyday look, nothing too crazy or dramatic. Placing that all over the eye with the blending brush. Simple makeup look because it's so easy to put together. Just find a neutral color for the lids. How was everyone's new year? Like, was it a good start? I think everything going on right now, it's pretty hard to deal with, but I mean, let's just make the most out of it and, you know, thank God for each and every day that, you know, we're at least surviving this some way or the other. And if you've lost a loved one, then, you know, I mean, at least they're in a better place. And it's the hardest of times right now. But big shout out to all the frontliners and essential workers out there. You guys are doing an amazing job, and thank you guys so much for waking up every morning and just being there and helping those in need. It's so important to just be thankful and appreciative, and, you know, consider yourself blessed. And, you know, thank you guys so much. That's all I have to say, is because I can't imagine how you all must be dealing with having to wake up every morning and, you know, putting yourself front to make sure another individual is doing, you know, fighting for their lives. And yeah, big thank you guys. So next off, I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. It's optional depending on how you want this, you know, to be. If you're just like not wanting the eyeliner, you don't have to apply it. You can always just do mascara. I like to also apply some on the bottom for a more spider look. I like that. It's more brighter and appealing. So next off, I'm gonna go in with eyebrows. I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows in just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in and just fill in the sparse area. Wow, look at the difference that makes already. I mean, I know I haven't gotten my eyebrows, but filling in your eyebrows makes so much of a difference. Like, I kid you not. I think eyebrows really does make the whole face. I'm gonna go off with the next one. I don't really do a lot with my eyebrows. I just, again, like, I just fill them in. I mean, I just love the way some people just like know how to blend it all out and fade it, and it's just so nice. I just fill in the sparse areas, as you can clearly see, and just trying to work with it. My hair's getting in the way. Cleaner look. know where my brush went, so I'm just gonna go in with the brush that I was able to find. For a cleaner look. So now I'm gonna go in with my blush. Just apply some on the cheeks. Can you guys see my blush? I feel like it's very subtle in on my monitor. Should I also add more shadows? I can go in just a little bit more. And just add some in the crease. Yes, that looks good. Much better. And now for the lips. Actually, no. I have to go back into the eyebrows because I love using like a clear gel to set my eyebrows because it's like my thing now. I like a good bushy eyebrow, or like, it's a lot of product. I like to make it look feathered. It's like my new favorite thing since it's been trending. It's my new favorite thing. Please excuse the background noise if you hear anything. It's the babies getting ready to go to bed. Just clean that up a little bit. And now for the lips. I'm gonna go in and line my lips. Apply my lip gloss. I feel like when you apply a liner, it helps to allow your lip gloss or lipstick to stick and hold on, like longer lasting. So I always like to apply a liner before applying my lipstick. So that's all for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yes, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below for any future video ideas you would like to see, content. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.